Say hi, Shay. No hi?
Shay, say you're stupid.
You're stupid.
Tell Megan, you gotta look at the camera and tell Megan, say you stupid.
Stupid.
All she said was stupid. There's no you there.
Stupid, man.
Oh! Thank you, Shay. I appreciate
Shake it down. 1, 2.
You're stupid.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Say whatever, Megan.
I'm making.
Whatever's her new favorite thing.
Can you go like this? Whatever. Nope. She runs away.
Where are you going?
I don't want to. Like.
What did she say?
1, 2.
Can I tell you something? Don't put that.